What's up, y'all? Okay, I will be preparing my chicken dressing before you today. This is my broth for my hen. It done got cold now, so. But this is my broth. I will be adding my cream of chicken and my cream of celery to this. I already sauteed my onions, bell pepper, and celery. So I will be pouring that into my cornbread. Okay, this is my cream of chicken. And this is my cream of celery. I got 2 cans of each I will be adding into this mix. Now while I'm mixing this up, I'm also letting it heat back up. And while my hen was cooking, I had already seasoned my broth, so it's seasoned to perfection. So I'm not even worried about that. Okay, after this, I will tear my cornbread apart, and I will add my hen and my mixed vegetables with my holy trinity. I will add that into it. And then I will add my hen in. I'll mix everything together, pour my juice in. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, this is my broth. It's ready. I'm about to pour it into my meat, my cornbread. So y'all, all I'm doing is just picking the bones out of my hen, so I can transfer it into my cornbread mix. See, that's all I'm doing, pulling the bones out. And that's it. Y'all gotta make sure y'all don't have it too wet or too dry. So make sure y'all keep in mind how y'all want it. I know a lot of y'all might say I'm pouring too fast, but I got it. I got it. Trust me, I do. See, that's too dry. Now I'm about to take the rest and pour my chicken because I put my chicken in it. Oh, y'all, I broke my spoon. I'll be right back, y'all. I cannot believe that just happened. And that was my favorite spoon. Ain't nothing but the devil. But anyways, as y'all have seen, I had already added in my Holy Trinity, which is sauteed onions, bell pepper, and celery. And I sauteed it with butter. I sprinkled a little salt over it. And I poured that in here. See how they look, y'all? That's how I want it. And I will be back when it comes out the oven because I want y'all to see how it looks. Wait a minute, but first I'm gonna add a little bit more broth and the rest of my chicken. Y'all comment down below what y'all made for Thanksgiving. What type of dinner foods did y'all cook? Like I said, I did potato salad. I'm gonna do some deviled eggs, chicken dressing, and collard greens. Baked mac and cheese, and my ham already ready. So comment down below and let me know what y'all made. Let me let y'all see this. This camera and this lighting ain't doing no justice to how this look. But stay tuned to when I get it out the oven because I do want y'all to see my finished look because this looks so good. I'm already ready to eat. So I'll be back. And this is the finished look, y'all. This is it. Let's cut in it and see how we do. I should have let it rest, but it'll be okay. There we go. Just right. Now I just need my cranberry sauce. Y'all better stay tuned and lock in with me, cause this is bomb. Yes.